How to use Chrome Web Store to find and install extensions in Google Chrome. In this video guide, we will cover: what is Chrome Web Store? How to open Chrome Web Store? What are Chrome Web Store extensions? Chrome Web Store download. 1. What is Chrome Web Store? The Chrome Web Store is an online store where you can download extensions, themes, and apps for the Google Chrome web browser. It is a one-stop shop for all of your Chrome needs, with over 1 million extensions, themes, and apps to choose from. Extensions are small programs that add new features to Chrome. They can be used to do things like block ads, change the look of Chrome, or add new functionality. Themes change the look and feel of Chrome, and apps are full-featured programs that can be used to do things like play games, edit photos, or create documents. The Chrome Web Store is a great way to customize Chrome and make it work the way you want it to. With so many extensions, themes, and apps to choose from, you're sure to find something that's perfect for you. Here are some of the benefits of using the Chrome Web Store. It's easy to use. Just visit the Chrome Web Store and browse the different categories of extensions, themes, and apps. When you find something you like, click the Add to Chrome button to install it. It's safe. All of the extensions, themes, and apps in the Chrome Web Store are reviewed by Google before they're allowed to be published. This means that you can be confident that they're safe to use. It's free. All of the extensions, themes, and apps in the Chrome Web Store are free to download and use. If you're looking for ways to customize and improve your Chrome experience, the Chrome Web Store is the perfect place to start. 2. How to open Chrome Web Store. Here's the direct official link: https://chrome.google.com/webstore/category/extensions. 3. What are Chrome Web Store extensions? Chrome Web Store extensions are small programs that add new features to the Google Chrome web browser. They can be used to do things like block ads, change the look of Chrome, or add new functionality. Here are some examples of what extensions can do. Block ads. Extensions like AdBlock and uBlock Origin can block ads from appearing on websites. This can make websites load faster and use less data. Change the look of Chrome. Extensions like Stylish and Stylus can change the look of Chrome by applying custom themes. This can make Chrome look more stylish or functional. Add new functionality. Extensions like Grammarly and Honey can add new functionality to Chrome. Grammarly can help you improve your grammar, and Honey can help you find coupon codes. Extensions are a great way to customize Chrome and make it work the way you want it to. With so many extensions to choose from, you're sure to find something that's perfect for you. Here are some tips for finding and installing extensions. Visit the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is the best place to find extensions. It has a wide variety of extensions to choose from, and all of the extensions have been reviewed by Google before they're allowed to be published. Read the reviews. Before you install an extension, be sure to read the reviews. This will give you an idea of what other people think of the extension and whether or not it's worth installing. Only install extensions from trusted developers. Only install extensions from trusted developers. This will help you avoid installing extensions that are malicious or that contain malware. Keep your extensions up to date. It's important to keep your extensions up to date. This will ensure that they work properly and that they're secure. If you're looking for ways to customize and improve your Chrome experience, extensions are a great option. With so many extensions to choose from, you're sure to find something that's perfect for you. 4. How to download Chrome Web Store. Sorry, you cannot. Chrome Web Store is a web-based platform. Now, it's your turn. Can you install Chrome Web Store extension in Microsoft Edge, Brave, some other browsers,